Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Sweetwater Summit Regional Park in Bonita, California. Sweetwater Summit has one of the most impressive layouts I've ever seen. Despite wrapping its way up a massive hill, you have long level sites here. Pull-throughs, in fact. There's a clubhouse overlooking a lake and a jungle gym for the kids. And the views looking down on San Diego are pretty spectacular. And I love San Diego. I mean, the weather is perfect year round, and the people seem so happy here. And why not? When I'm in San Diego, I tend to spend a lot of time on Coronado Island, not only to see places like this spectacular hotel, but to play pickleball. And I forbid anyone to come to San Diego and not do a whale watching tour. This is an absolute must. So the whale watching is required, but you can come see a sunset too if you want to. I mean, they're okay. Beautiful sights, spectacular views, awesome city. It's perfect, right? Well, except for one thing. Ants. I mean, this was unbelievable. I've dealt with ants before, but I hadn't even finished setting up. In fact, I'd just begun setting up when there was an entire procession of ants already making their way into my camper. Not only that, other processions were forming around the camper. They were trying to find another way in. I switched sites, and the same exact thing happened. So I noticed all my neighbors had the same remedy. I didn't know what it was, so I went and asked one of them. Comet. But here's the trick. You have to find every single point of contact to the ground and make sure it's covered in this comet. And as long as you don't miss one, it actually does work. Okay, it's time for my rating of Sweetwater Summit Regional Park. I can't come back here. No way. It's the ants. I mean, the ants are just absolutely relentless here, and it's not worth the trouble of trying to keep them out of your rig. Well, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That helps my channel grow. Well, that's all I have for you today. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.